Are lawyers and family courts corrupt? Are they evil? Should we just dismiss them? Are judges corrupt? Yes, all of that is true. Most lawyers in family law are bad. Every single lawyer will not work on your case and take your money if he can or he or she can. But this doesn't mean that we don't need attorneys. This doesn't mean that we also can't do it pro se. It's a way more complicated answer than this. And if you think that you can just watch a couple videos that are 1 minute long, 3 minutes long, and not a 5 to 10 hour deep dive on what you need to know legally in family law, and you can make a decision whether or not you need a lawyer or should listen to them or should just write them off because there is corruption, you will lose. That is what's going to make you lose. You're going to need to work your ass off on this. You're going to need to understand the laws. You're going to probably have to have somebody go over those with you, whether they're a lawyer, a paralegal, or somebody who's a legal assistant. You are going to need to look at every single detail of your case. You don't get the bypass of what you tell your mom or your friends. You need to win a case in front of a judge that could be completely biased against you. So this is the work that you have to do. Everybody who's in here, the dads that are suffering, I mean, I'm one of them. I came back to beat it. All I do is work with dads that I have now a long history that's of 17 years of thousands of guys winning. You can watch their video testimonials that have had harder cases than yours. This is what happens, right? Every single one of those dads probably had a mix of getting an attorney, switching an attorney, and maybe many of them actually ended up in the end going pro se. But all of those dads studied their ass off to learn the law. That's what you need to do. Bottom line, attorney, no attorney, learn the law, watch cases, get to know judges, study case law, study all of those different things. Don't think you're smarter than anybody and start to talk to people that have been there and done that. Don't listen to the bullshit myth online of the megaphone of whatever the manosphere is saying is that it's fucked. Yeah, it is fucked. You want to get unfucked? Let's work at it.